Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook post designs on different niches. So it is a very good skill and easy skill to learn, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms online. And you can also target the offline market, and you can also go to google.com and search the websites according to your niche. So search the websites according to your niche, and ask them and contact them and ask them about your services, and they will surely hire you. So that's it. And in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a Facebook post on crypto niche. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online available. It is very easy and handy to use, so you can easily learn it. If you want to know complete knowledge about Canva, then go to my channel. So if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube, and go to playlist section. Here I upload the playlist called Canva designing course. Here you can learn everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design, and here I search Facebook post. So it's here I search crypto, and it provides me different templates. I click on Bitcoin, no, so I click on crypto only. This one is good, but I would like to change the background color, so I click on this, and that's good. After that I go to photos. Here I search like crypto, yeah, it's look good. So I put a dummy website of like crypto.com, and I increase the size. And so our post is ready. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.